Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And I bet you're wondering why there's a big circle of dirt out here. This is out here on my farm, 16 acres, and we're not quite ready to start building. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to do a little test right here. And you know, recently we switched the varieties in the turf type and cool blue to A-list varieties, and both the cool blue and turf type are now blue tag seeds. So the question is can you depend on rain alone when you're seeding? So what I'm gonna do is break ground out here with my Z23, get it leveled up, slicked down, get a good seed bed prep going, and then we're gonna put down some GCI turf type tall fescue, and I'm gonna water it one time, and that's it. I'm gonna really hammer down, really soak it down real good. I'm gonna walk away, and then when we come out here and we're doing work on the farm, we'll do a little update here and there and see how this progresses, and strictly going to depend on rain. And we'll count the days and see how long it takes for the seed to come in, and obviously if we go in a real rainy period, then it's gonna come in quick. If it doesn't rain, it's not gonna come in quick, and we'll see how far into the fall or how long into the winter it takes to get this turf established. All right, so there you go. Break ground, decompact. You can't throw grass seed on hard dirt. It's never gonna work. I don't care if anybody tells you it will, it's not going to work. You have to decompact the ground, loosen it, make it soft so that the water, ground can be receptive to the water, receptive to seed, and it always helps when the seed germinates. It has that loose ground so that it can take off and start running and start digging and growing. I typically don't film with 4 people looking at me either. No,
I'll look at my phone.
look at the woods. No, I'm just kidding. So I got the ABI crew out here, which has been an absolute treat today for me. But you want to remove all the material, old grass, roots. I could not get over how many roots were here. This obviously was a cut over, at some point in time. So I've got a ton of roots over there. The Z23 just dug right through it and leveled it up. Get down everything down to just bare dirt, slick it down, leave a good soft seed bed, and then it's time to spread the grass seed. And because this is bare dirt, I went down at 10 pounds per 1,000 square feet. This is roughly a 2,000 square foot area, so I used 20 pounds of grass seed. So what would it be worth to you to see the ABI crew get sopping wet? You think that would be really fun? Look at them. Where are they going? Where are they going, baby? Woo-hoo! So that's 500 gallons down on 2,000 square feet. That's the only head start we're going to give it. So make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned so that you can come back and check this out. Rain only. We're going to see what happens.